Welcome to Taste Buds and Sunita. Today we are turning the superfood amla, Indian gooseberries into irresistible, nutrient-rich amla laddus. Packed with vitamin C, iron and antioxidants, these laddus are a tasty way to boost your health. Let's make them healthier with some tips woven into the process. Wash 600 grams of amla thoroughly and pat them dry with a towel to remove excess water. Steam the amla for 15 minutes or until soft. This softens the fruit while preserving vitamin C. Let them cool completely, then de-seed it. Now grind these de-seeded amla into smooth paste in batches. Avoid adding water while blending to maintain its natural tanginess and consistency. Now keep this aside. Take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add very little water to form a smooth slurry. This will help to bind the laddus. Now take a pan, add 400 grams of jaggery, add very little water and cook until a thick syrup forms. Jaggery is a better alternative to refined sugar. Adjust the quantity for desired sweetness. Now keep this aside. Now grease a pan with 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add the amla paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes to enhance flavor. Now add half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Saute well to blend the spices. Black salt aids digestion and dry ginger boosts metabolism and immunity. Slowly pour in the jaggery syrup using a sieve to remove the impurities. Now stir the mixture well. Squeeze in juice of 1 lemon for a tangy flavor and to add the vitamin C. Now mix in 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder to enhance the tangy sweet balance. Add the prepared corn flour slurry while stirring continuously. This will thicken the mixture. Now add 2 tablespoons of mishri or rock sugar for natural sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee for a glossy texture. Sprinkle half teaspoon of black pepper powder for a hint of spice and its anti-inflammatory benefits. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens and forms a sticky lump. Toss in few melon seeds, stir well and keep that aside to cool. Meanwhile, dry roast 1 cup of red rice until puffed and fragrant. Red rice is a healthier option to burra or powdered sugar. This adds fiber to the laddus. Now add 10 to 12 cardamom pods and roast briefly. Once cool, blend it into fine powder. Now combine the red rice powder with the amla mixture. Knead well with hands until smooth. Grease your hand with ghee and take small portion of the mixture and roll them into laddus. Now coat these laddus with desiccated coconut for added flavor and a decorative touch. Your yummy, healthy, power-packed laddus are ready to be served. Store these laddus in an airtight container to retain freshness. These amla laddus are not just a treat but a powerful health supplement packed with superfoods like red rice, jaggery and amla. They provide a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Thank you for joining Taste Buds and Sunita. Please do like, share and subscribe for more innovative healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.